Doon dito, ma'am.
Sige, kuya. Doon o, kuya. Doon. Ituro mo nga akong daw.
Mommy, let's go gold.
What?
Let's go. It's then go.
I don't know what she said.
I know.
She said, oh my God. Again.
But, you know, it's like
That is so big.
understand that.
That is so big.
So big. So big. Daddy, you're so big. What?
That's what mom said. Maybe they got boat rides. I think you can ride.
No, we don't have boat here.
Yeah, they got boat rides.
Nakikita mo ba ang nakikita ko?
See if you can rent it.
Right, we can. But it's too hot. Yeah, nakikita mo ba?
Maybe go
Nakikita
fast.
ko.
You feel the heat, you know? You want to go? The girls want to go. Let's go. It's up to them.
Siguro kuya mag-go kami sa straight na daan.
Whatever the girls want.
Daddy, what's that?
Diretso lang, ma'am.
Ano, Dang? Kuya, hanggang doon, doon sa likod ng truck na yon. Tapos mag-walk kami pababa.
Walk kami, baba.
That's the hotel, huh?
That's the walk to the hotel. They do have
Another one.
jet ski.
Go. Take the kids jet ski. Go jet ski. Go jet ski.
Yeah, not in here.
Why?
Maybe
It's
at
water. It's cool. It's gonna, people gonna feel like it. The girls probably feel like it's so cool. Right here.
Oh yeah, right here.
Come on. Let's go.
Sige kuya.
Let's go. Water people is beautiful.
Okay.
Uy, yan o, Pantabangan tayo. Pantabangan deck.